Hello viewers, welcome to Aesthetic Space. This is Prakriti and today I'm going to make two beautiful planters. I always enjoy making planters. It's a fun time hobby of mine. So I've taken two earthen pots. It was used earthen pots and I'm planning to make something creative out of it. So you can just paint something very beautiful. Like I will draw some floral patterns. The background will be black in color and there will be yellow color flowers. The flowers will be quite prominent one in order to make it quite contrast, right? So here you can go for light pink, light blue, white, and the background can be like navy blue, red, or you can go for black. It's looking so beautiful. So here I've planted yellow color flowers and the detailing is with red color and a bit of pink color. You can go for lighter brushes, the thin brushes. Here maybe I have used number 6 brush. So let's go for the background. Do comment whether you like my idea or not and what sort of planters you have made. What is your fun time hobby and what more can I add into my channel? So it's raining right here. The weather is so beautiful and I'm enjoying. Actually, I've come from my workplace and here in my hometown I'm enjoying with my parents, with my relatives, with my friends. So today morning it just came across in my mind. I have to do something really creative. It was raining so I can't go out. Then you can just decorate something. I had a bit of glitters in my home. So above it I added some of the glitters. It's looking really beautiful. You can go for any design, any patterns in order to decorate it. Even if anything left in your home, you can go for it. You can put some of the clay patterns, modeling clay pattern. I'm just planning to make something out of modeling clay also in my next video. So this is the first planter. Now I had another earthen pot. There I have painted white and navy blue. I have made a pattern out of it and then the bottom will be green in color. So it's something related to like planet Earth, right? The theme as such I have kept in my mind. Let's just see what it comes out to be. The bottom I have painted with green color and the top portion it's like the hydrosphere and the lithosphere. See here I have used broad brush in order to like put off the paint and then the detailing will be done with a thinner brush. White is always my favorite in order to make it more prominent, in order to make it more beautiful. So you just need a lot of acrylic paint or fabric paint of white color. You can add some patterns with leaf also. So that is another part I'll be adding in some other video. Leaf pattern, working with leaf. You can add tiny spots with this white color. It looks really beautiful. So I'm probably done. There were some other paint patterns like red, yellow, and then you can go for blue as always. It really goes well with dark, the light patterns. It makes a beautiful contrast. So it's sort of like flowers are blooming. Above it there are clouds. You give a beautiful pattern to it. I was just wondering about the cherry blossom tree. It just came up in my mind. Let's make something out of it. It's really random. I haven't put a lot of effort into it. I hope you'll like my video and you'll add something more. You'll just comment beautifully. Do support my channel, like, share and comment. Stay connected guys.